Right-click on image and convert it to Smart Object. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Drag it to bottom. Choose Type tool. I'm using this font and download link in description. Type your text. Press Ctrl T for free transform. Adjust text size accordingly. Convert text layer to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T. Right-click and choose Warp. Adjust accordingly. Duplicate this layer. Drag one to top. Hide this one for now. Hold Alt and click to clip mask to text layer. Unhide the bottom layer. Hold Alt and click on layer mask icon. Choose a hard round brush. Make sure foreground color is white. And start brushing.